Good morning, Light Riders. My name is Dan, and this is another edition of Magical Healing Mornings, the place where I get you up, off, and out the door with a shot of love and light to start your busy, beautiful day. Good morning, brothers and sisters in light. Time to wake up and rise and shine. Today, we're going to do a healing circle, not just for us, but some loved ones as well. But first, let's put some gas in the tank. So, sit with your back straight and give me some deep breaths in. Open up the curtains, let that morning sunshine just pour right into your soul. Just feel that energy, that love and that light touching your soul, your spirit. Breathe it in, pull it all the way down, fill your body up, and then just release it out. Just open up the doors and let everything flow right out. Nice and gentle, nothing crazy today. We're going to go through some nice healing, so it's going to be a good idea to make some space. Another deep breath in, pull those shoulders back, open up that chest area, feel that spine stretch, pull all the light in, all the energy, light some organs up, get that spine working, get that opened up, get it all lit up. Now let that light just pour right out, release everything, let it take all the stuff with it, all the dust and clutter. That mental clutter that we don't need. And now one last big one. All the way down, pit of your stomach, pull that light in. Feel those light codes and that energy and that prana just dancing, lighting everything up. Waking up those organs, waking up every cell in your body. Feel them giggling and laughing. Feel them tingling. And now a nice, long, slow release and settle into space. Keep breathing out and just clear everything out. Settle down. Get your feet flat on the floor, back straight. Eyes open or closed. And I want you to go to your sacred space. And I want you to sit there. And we're going to create a healing circle. We're going to start at our heart. I'm opening mine and I'm going to connect with your heart as well. And I want you to feel that. I want you to feel that connection. And I want you to feel the love I have for you because you guys do so much. You guys rock for me. And today we're going to get the opportunity to heal some loved ones, some friends, maybe even some strangers, who knows. So let's just connect in this sacred space, in this quantum field. Light up that heart. And we're going to move upwards today. So with every breath, make it brighter and stronger. And just release it. Let it float up like a balloon. I want you to feel it. This little ball of energy. Moving up to your throat chakra. Your ascension chakra. Third eye. Up to the crown. No, I want you to go even higher. Just keep going all the way up to that soul star, the Viracocha, as it's called, the seat of the soul, the home of 5D. Just keep going. Go right up there and get into that ball, that beautiful ball of light. And with your breath, I'd like you to pull that down. Down, 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 down towards the crown. Down past the third eye. The ascension chakra. The throat chakra. And down into your heart. And we're going to settle in right there with it. I want you to start breathing into that. I want you to surround yourself with it. I want you to blow it up with every breath. Fills your chest. Pops out of your body. And just surrounds your entire body. And you're in this beautiful sacred space. The seat of your soul. I want you to look around. I want you to check it. Make sure it's strong. If there's any spots, clean them up. Make sure this is your perfect vessel for what we're going to do. Just feel that around your body. Now what I would like you to do is think of some friends who may be in need. Could be a relative, a loved one, a friend. And they're going to join us in our healing circle, because we're all going to heal together. I want you to envision them in this circle, just as they are. And now I want you to expand your Viracocha, your soul star. I want you to breathe into it and expand it to encompass this entire healing circle. Now everyone's inside. And what I'd like you to do is to call in your healing allies, ascended masters, relatives, both here and on the other side. Maybe you know a potent healer, a Reiki master. Invite them in too. Any divine entities, angels, saints, Buddhas, Bodhisattvas, maybe even some extraterrestrial friends. Anyone who you feel comfortable with that can contribute their energies to these healings. So let's go, bring them all in, invite them. Make yourself comfortable, and now we're going to turn up the heat. We're going to bring some light in. I'm going to start first, and I'm going to add light, love, and healing to this. We're going to start at the bottom, and we're going to fill these bodies up with light. So just be aware. Let's get everything started. Fill everything up. Now I'd like you to ask for help from your divine friends. And let them fill us up with light as well. And just feel that as it pours in this beautiful divine light from all the higher dimensions. Just let it fill your body. Let it fill your friends, your loved ones, as we all do this together. Now I'd like you to put your own intentions out as well. It can be multiple intentions. Just put them out. To heal yourself, to heal your loved ones, anyone in the circle, even the planet if you want. Just make it even brighter, even stronger. And take a minute, just bask in this beautiful light. And when you're ready, we're going to close this. So we're going to thank our divine helpers and send them on their way. I'm going to pull my heart center back in and pull my energies out as well. When you're ready, thank your friends and come back to your sacred space. Wiggle your fingers, wiggle your toes. That was a pretty potent one. Take a bow. Thank all your divine helpers. And as always, thank you for coming along for the ride. Love and light, my friends.